Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase with PayPal. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to buy crypto on Coinbase with PayPal. So step 1, go to Coinbase, visit the Coinbase website or download the Coinbase application. Number 2, sign up. If you don't have an account, sign up using your email address and create a password. And then after that, verify your identity. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to buy cryptocurrency using PayPal. So go to buy and sell. On the Coinbase dashboard, click or tap on buy and sell. Choose the cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency. On the payment method, select PayPal as your funding source. Complete the purchase, review the details of your purchase amount and fees, and then click or tap Buy Now to confirm. So once the purchase is successful, the cryptocurrency will be added to your Coinbase wallet. You can view the transaction under the portfolio or home section. By following the steps, you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase using PayPal quickly and securely. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.